Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TECLAST T60 and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll down and localize passwords and accounts or Google. It's up to you, I prefer this one, so passwords and accounts, so let me tap on it and then tap on add account. Choose Google. And make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. You will probably have to confirm everything with your screen lock, so let's do it. And here in this step you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. I've got it saved, so it will be quicker. Let's tap on next. Right here in this section we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so simply tap on it to check the information and tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so just tap on accept. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. Of course, we can also remove it whenever we want to, so simply tap on it and tap on remove account. Tap on remove account again, tap on OK, and confirm everything with your screen lock. And as you can see, the account will immediately disappear. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.